Good morning, children. So, welcome to another class of English. The topic that we have taken up today is article writing. So, before we begin with this topic and understand the format and the topic that we are going to be discussing today, particularly in article writing, मैं आप सबसे पूछना चाहती हूँ कि हम ये article writing कहाँ use करते हैं? Where do we use this article writing? So basically articles are written for newspapers. Then articles are also written for magazines. Articles are also written for journals and for e-content. Because when we talk about news report, when we talk about notice writing, when we talk about posters, they are all out there to give information, right? But when I'm talking about article writing, is article writing only based on providing information? No, article writing is way beyond than that. Articles are generally written to express views. So, this is a very important point to understand the difference between the rest of the writing skill section and when we are talking about article writing. Expressing views in a wonderful manner is the beauty of writing an article. When we talk about the format of article writing, it is very simple and it has to be followed as such because the format also has special place for marks. Now, the format of article writing is very simple. In the center, you are going to be writing down the heading and then you are going to be writing down the byline. Now, what exactly I mean by byline? I mean byline is the name of the person we are going to be mentioning over here who is writing the article. Suppose it is me. I have taken up a topic and I am going to be writing an article on that. तो मेरा जो heading है, जो title है और tagline है, वो यहाँ center में आएगा, right? In capital letters. And on the right hand side, it is going to be my name. तो मेरा नाम यहाँ आएगा, that is the byline जिसने article लिखा है, और center में आएगा heading, the topic, the title for which we are writing an article. So this is a very simple format of writing an article. Now, when we talk about the body of the article, so keeping in mind the principle of 3 paragraphs, right? तो यहाँ पे भी हम लोग 3 paragraphs लेके चलेंगे. So the first para is going to be the introduction. Second paragraph, we are going to be elaborating, right? We are going to be elaborating the whole thing. हमारा जो title है उसके introduction के बाद उसमें जो कुछ भी आ रहा है, when you are going to be doing a short example right now, it will be very clear to you. So we are going to be elaborating that thing. The third is going to be the conclusion. Now, just to add an extra edge to your article, what can we do? We can add in the first and the second paragraph the proverbs or quotes. अगर हम famous proverbs या famous quotes use करेंगे, so this is going to be adding or giving an extra edge to our article, which is really important. In case अगर आपका monotonous tone आएगा, so it becomes boring. तो आर्टिकल को इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने के लिए आर्टिकल को so these are the add-ons, the accessories, the values that we are going to be adding over here in the article. So our article becomes interesting, it becomes eye-catching. तो first paragraph आपका introductory paragraph होगा. Second is going to be the paragraph that is going to be talking about the heading or the title in a very elaborate manner. And the third part is going to be the conclusion, right? Or according to the board examinations, we are going to be restricting our word limit to 150 to 200 words. Now this article writing prior to COVID times, it used to be of 10 marks. But because of the changing times, COVID की वजह से lot many changes CBSE had to introduce. So this article writing now carries 5 marks, right? But all these points need to be incorporated. I hope we are clear with the format of the article, right? Now we are going to be taking up a very important topic. Now we are going to be solving this example. We are going to be discussing in detail, so it will be more and more clear to you that how do you go about writing an article. Now the biggest challenge humanity is facing now is Corona. Yes, or COVID-19. This is the toughest of the task that we as people of this whole world, it is not restricted to China now. We all know it started in Wuhan city and it spread in the world, and that is why the term pandemic came into being. Now, we write an article today. We are going to be talking about COVID-19 protocols. Right. Now, what we exactly mean by protocol? क्या मतलब होता है protocols का? उसका मतलब ये होता है कि कोविड के टाइम पे कुछ प्रिकॉशंस हैं जो हमें गाइडलाइंस वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने दी हैं, तो हमें वो सारी गाइडलाइंस फॉलो करनी है, राइट? सो वी हैव टू फॉलो ऑल दीज गाइडलाइंस एंड दीज आर नोन एज कोविड प्रोटोकॉल्स. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन है कि राइट डाउन एन आर्टिकल ऑन द प्रोटोकॉल्स दैट आर टू बी फॉलोड during the COVID times or the pandemic time, so we first of all have to bifurcate and shortlist all those things. So the first and the foremost important thing is hand wash. We need to wash our hands regularly, and there's a proper way of washing the hands. You cannot just wash your hands lightly. You have to wash it for 40 seconds. पहले की प्रोटोकॉल में it was for 20 seconds, but now they have made it to 40 seconds. तो आपका हैंड वॉश हो गया. Second important thing that we need to follow is wearing a mask. This virus is a heavy virus because उसका जो प्रोटीन है, DNA है, it is heavy, so it does not float in the air. So the studies have shown that it is not an airborne. क्योंकि वो heavy होता है, वो settle हो जाता है. So wearing a mask is really important to avoid communication. Communicating the virus from one person to another. In case if you have a barrier, अगर आपके यहाँ पे कोई बैरियर है या आपने कुछ मास्क लगाया हुआ है, तो वो स्प्रेड होने से हमें रोकेगा. So this is one more protocol that we need to follow. We have to wear mask. The next important thing is social distancing. Now, when I am talking about social distancing, there was a lot of debate. अगर आपने सुना हो कि social distancing नहीं है, it is physical distancing. So for the safer side, we are going to be writing down physical. So we are going to be talking about social distancing and physical distancing. So these are the important points we need to understand when we are talking about COVID protocols. We should wash our hands regularly. We should wear a mask and we should maintain proper social and physical distance. Then there are bifurcated protocols that need to be followed. Gathering of people should not be there, right? Then lockdown was introduced. So there were many things that were added on. But for the time being, we are taking these three main parts that we are going to be talking about COVID protocols. Now, when we be writing an article, children, because this is a pandemic time, right? So when we are talking about pandemic time, उसमें बहुत important होती है एक इंसान की will power. आपने बहुत सारे केसेस सुने होंगे where the people who were 90 years of age, who were approaching 100 years of age, वो recover कर गए. These people were able to recover because they had a strong will power to fight against the disease. क्योंकि वो चीज़ क्या है? It is a foreign element that is attacking our body, and how strong our immune system is. Right? जितना strong हमारा immune system होगा, उतना easily हम COVID से fight कर पाएंगे. So these are the two that talks about COVID. So we have to understand this thing that ये कोई डरने की चीज़ नहीं है. Once you are going to be fearing something, the chances of losing becomes more. आपने चैप्टर पढ़ा है डीप वाटर, राइट? बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लाइन उस चैप्टर में लिखी हुई है डीप वाटर में. द बिगेस्ट फियर इज फियर इटसेल्फ. आपको जो डर है वो ही आपकी हारने के सबसे बड़ा रीजन बन जाता है. सो कोविड से डरना नहीं है बच्चों, राइट? So students, we need to understand that we are not supposed to be afraid of COVID. We have to fight this thing, and these are the protocols that we need to follow. So I hope we are clear with this. So you are all going to be writing an article that is going to be talking about COVID protocols. Now, before you begin writing an article, there is an art integrated activity. Now, what is this art integrated activity, children? So I am giving you a very interesting activity for today, that you are going to make a composition, right? And you are going to be displaying it, enacting all these COVID protocol things that we need to follow. आपको ये सब कुछ enact करके बताना है. जो भी हमने COVID-19 के protocols लिखे थे, आपको उनको enact करके बताना है. That is your art integrated activity for this topic. Now, just for you to understand how it is to be done, the students of other class, class 12, they have performed classical Kathak dance based on this thing. उन लोगों को वो वाला art integrated हमने किया था, that they were talking about COVID protocols, और उनको उन्होंने intermix किया था, because music and dance is also one of the topics that we cover in art integration and performing arts. तो उन्होंने कोविड प्रोटोकॉल्स को डांस से दिखाया है. सो आई विल बी शोइंग यू अ वीडियो जस्ट नाउ. काइंडली वॉच इट एंड देन मेक योर ओन आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड एक्टिविटी, enact it out so that you are able to understand and absorb the COVID protocols that we have to follow. Because children, कोरोना is here to stay, और हमें ही इससे लड़के आगे जाना है. I hope this topic of article writing was clear to you, and we are going to be watching this video so that this art integrated activity becomes more clear to you. Thank you children. God bless, and please watch the video.
Da da